rainy day of leaving Liard Hot Springs on our way to Watson Lake and the Signpost Forest.
Woo-woo!
And we're going to be hooking up. We've been boondocking for almost a week. We did pretty good on saving our water. So we still have about 20 gallons of fresh water, and then we got some room in both the gray and black tanks. So,
But the bodies are ready for hookups.
yes, at Dawn and Glen.
Hollywood.
We decided to make another intro for the video for the Four Nomads. So I go by the name Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And
we are
The
Four Nomads.
So this is part 2 of the video. We have part 1 where we travel from our homes up into Canada. So part 2 is going to be our journey to Alaska through Canada. So follow us, and we'll put up videos as we go. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll see you on the road.
Close and personal.
Here's one.
Yeah, I miss the others. They're going down.
We're going to do a video on you guys.
This would be the unpaid part.
We're going 10 miles an hour on this now, and it's still pretty rough.
I don't know. The bridge might not be okay. Might just be sand.
Yeah, I think it is.
On the other
I
side of
think
the
it
bridge,
is.
it
I
looks
think it's
okay.
not a bridge. It's just
No, I think they've made it out of all this stuff.
yeah, they've got. It's not elevated, a platform bridge like that. It's a
And they may have done
road.
that from all down below. Look. Yes, this truck takes it pretty fast. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me. Look at him. Really?
Well, that truck was
No,
rude.
we haven't seen too many people like that on this journey yet.
We'll tell Donna, man, we're just gonna kind of get over to the side here, let that truck that's by the side go by.
Oh, are they back there now?
Yeah.
We're gonna move over so that truck can go by us.
Yeah, he might run us off the road like the other one.
Yeah, he was really rude.
Yeah, and he was fine. I'm like, oh my gosh, this gas thing is sliding.
I don't doubt it, because he was flying. Those trees over there are really tall.
Just take a picture of a picture.
Little bit of leaves.
Yeah.
Tree. This is like a jungle. The way the trees up there, I feel like I'm more
Yeah.
in tropical kind
Yeah.
of.
With the fog and all,
Yeah.
clouds. It's 43
This is
degrees.
One of those boreal forests. She says not sure what our driver's doing here. Hang on.
Ask them, do they want to get that picture?
Do you want that picture back there that says "Welcome to the Yukon" and Contact Creek? It may be up here too, to your
I already
left.
got it.
Perfect. Oh, bison. Well, we got a little fella here on our left greeting us.
Watson Lake, gateway to the Yukon.
I'm going to probably want to go there.
Yeah.
Flight Center than Planetarium.
There's a sign for us right here on the right.
Here's the signpost for us on the right. Look at all the RVs.
Is this a truck stop right here? Yes.
This looks like the truck stop right here. That's supposed to be a restaurant.
Fuels?
Tags, food, and gas.
Yeah. $1.90 for fuel. Tesla, we said we were going to stay there. I think.
But it says it's at Watson Lake RV Park, so we put that into our GPS.
And what does that say?
Arriving at Watson Lake Campground on the left.
170 meters and continue straight, then turn right on Yukon 1 East, and then left on Yukon 1 East.
So clearly not down here.
Well, I don't know. It says, and then the end place, Watson Lake RV. This says head northwest toward Watson Lake Access Road, 8.2 kilometers. Then we're going to do it sharp left onto Yukon 1 East.
Yeah, but
And then
where's
turn
that?
left onto YG, Yukon Territory 4 West.
Let's go down here and check this out first.
Well, we'll at least go down here and turn around if we miss here.
Well, we just got to go see because we can't do anything right
The
now.
road is wide.
I can't turn around on this road.
No, I know, but did you see that big muddy spot over
I
there?
sure did. There's two of them.
Well, do you want me just to follow you back? Or
Yeah.
you want to hook back up?
No, shit, no. I go hook back up. We'll let you drive. Let you drive that truck.
All right, so
Let me change my shoes. So we got a little bit of problem. We're on this road. We thought we were going to this campground. And so there's the RV. Lock that truck. Put that in your pocket. So we got a bit of a problem. It looks like there might be a surveyor or might be a county worker. So we might be okay with that. I told Lynn not to get out of the car if somebody comes around, just to be safe. And if somebody does come and stop, I told her to get in the truck and lock the door. So we're going to turn around in this spot right here.
Right, don't go too close.
So
Swing
we missed our spot for where we need to be.
Well, and it's not where we thought it was either.
So we got, hello friend.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Good.
We're lost.
Down this road to the campground.
Is that a big campground? Can we get in there with
Oh,
it?
yeah. And there's probably 8 drive-throughs where you can drive right through.
This must be the place
That
then.
must be then what we booked. But then we're like, well, maybe this isn't it.
Yeah, well, you don't book here.
You book online.
Not here. We don't take any bookings. First come, first served.
Okay, well, somewhere we called and we booked online.
Okay, could that be downtown RV park?
Well, no, it was called Watson Lake RV Park. You think that's the downtown one?
It could be because we're just a government campground here.
Huh, okay.
All righty.
Well, thank
And if
you.
you go back into town where the Super 8 grocery store is, drive past there and they're right to the left.
Okay.
Okay, and that's the downtown RV.
Downtown RV, yep.
Thank you, friend.
Thank
Hey,
you.
no problem. Anything I can help with.
I think we'll just turn around here.
Yeah, we might have just got
That would
this
be
off.
your best idea because the road gets worse than this up there.
Yeah.
All right, here, hold on to this. You got your radio?
Okay, yep. Which side you want me on? Which side you want me on? I'm going with the right side.
Can you hear me?
I can. You want me on the right side or the left side?
On the right side, right where you are.
Okay, head for me because I don't want you to get in that other stuff on the right of me. We'll just head to the Welcome Center.
Okay. We got lost. We got to turn left to the Alaska Highway. We had to turn around on this road. And there was a nice man, I guess he probably works for the parks. He told us that there were some camping spots down in this place where we are, but that's a Parks Canada or Yukon Territories place.
Yes, I'm waiting on you to pull out so I can back up.
Slight delay. So we're headed back to downtown RV Park. We think that might be where we're supposed to be, according to the guy that was from the Park Service that was doing the maintenance. So well, we're gonna go and see what we find. And it is what it is. Worst case, we can always come back down there. That was the police. And I think the speed limit is, I think 42. I think we're okay. We are at the Sign Forest here in Watson Lake. And we just found the place at the top of this pole. We're going to put our sign there. So Leanne's going to film while I do it.
Think you need an extension on your ladder. We even have a level on our sign. No crooked sign for us.
Yeah, we watched a few videos on this, and well, sometimes you just have to do what you have to do, right?
That's right, you do.
Now she's up there. Okay, there it is. Right on the front wall. Towards the end of the front wall by tags, fuel station, grocery store, restaurant, RV park.
Leanne's going on up on the ladder. You got to go up some more. All right, now you're good. There you go.
Oh, that's the wrong hand.
Hey, look at you go. We made it. Signpost Forest, we're here. And so, summer 2023, Letsonville, Georgia. Mike and Leanne and Dawn and Glenn made this trip to Alaska. Here they go. And the third pole, if you're facing the light pole on the left, third pole from the left, we're at the top. Signpost Forest, 6,000 signs in 1988. And last year, 100,000. And we at least made 100,001 today.